As digital research methodologies evolve, we believe that the OED should be able to serve all scholars who want to investigate the sociological, historical, economic, or geographic development of the English language within the OED dataset, or use this data to fuel research in the wider academic community. We are exploring new ways for researchers to access and manipulate this massive curated dataset directly and flexibly to gain richer insights into the language and pursue more expansive and in-depth lines of inquiry than ever before. The OED invites scholars to contribute to the creation of new functionalities, which are built to aid exploration of and experimentation with the OED dataset. We want to work with those at the cutting edge of academic research to review and refine new ideas for the benefit of this community. By offering directive and specific feedback on proposed functionalities, researchers will be able to help shape the development of new digital tools, which harness the power of the OED dataset and help us to reimagine how this unique resource can be shared and accessed to aid the evolution of academic research. One such functionality we are currently experimenting with is a Lemmatizer to normalize spelling variation in historical texts. We have developed an initial, small-scale example and are keen to hear from researchers how they anticipate they might use a Lemmatizer on a larger scale in their research, and what formats and features would be most useful for this work. An OED Lemmatizer would function something like this. Enter your historical text into the tool with the origin date of the text or a date range. This could be just a few lines of text or entire digitized historical documents. By retrieving tagged information from the OED dataset, the Lemmatizer outputs the original text with each spelling variation found within the relevant OED lemma. Here, you can see that clicking on a linked word reveals a list of normalized spellings, each with a definition and date of origin. Selecting one of the listed normalizations allows you to access further information direct from the OED dataset on the word's core meaning, various senses, quotations, forms, inflections, pronunciations, etymology, derivations, and frequency of use. You could explore this data within the tool platform, or export a new version of the historical document annotated with modern spelling equivalents for offline use, plus the option to include any of the further information on the normalizations as desired. Do you use digitized historical texts in your research? Are you interested in using an OED Lemmatizer as you investigate these texts? We would love to hear from you. Share your answers, ideas, and comments with us through the OED Lemmatizer survey to help us develop the tools and functionalities that will be of greatest benefit to your research and to the wider academic research community.